This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. What is the value add which you feel for a student who is doing CS law? How does law add the value? Because here a lot of our students are doing only CS. So will a 3-year law course help them, and what would your inputs be?
Definitely. I mean, I don't think there's any doubt about it. I think that CS and law really come together. It's quite a marriage, actually, to be honest, right? I think that they complement each other really well. Whether you're going to be a company secretary with a LLB degree add-on, or you're going to be a lawyer with a CS degree add-on, whatever you decide, as and when you start practicing. But let me also add over here that I don't think at any point in time you'll be able to confidently say, oh, this is what I want to do. You really just go with the flow. You used to go with the flow, you take up whatever opportunity comes, you start doing it. Along the way, at some point, you'll settle down into one area of work, or you'll realize, okay, this is where my opportunity lies. This is where I can kind of capitalize on what is it. So whether you want to pick up law or you want to pick up CS as a mainstream is something that you can decide on the way. Now, how does the other professional degree kind of add up to what you're doing? Now, as a lawyer, whether you do disputes or you do transactional work, I think CS is always an add-on because, like I told you before, the practical aspects of it. Law is theory. Okay, if you do X thing, I mean, you're permitted to do X and Y. If you don't do it, this is the penalty. Pretty plain and simple. Now,
Yes.
how do you do a certain thing is what CS teaches you, right? Under the
The
company,
practical aspect.
completely practical as on the corporate law side, obviously, right? So then you say, okay, entire companies act, you can split it into two. One, I mean, three maybe. The dispute side, where you have non-compliance, then the corporate transaction side, whereas you do a business. How do you go on with a business? And the secretarial aspect of it. How do you practically do a certain thing? You want to take a business decision, right? What is the legality part? Your law degree helps you say, okay, this is compliant. You want to borrow some money, what is the equity debt ratio you need to maintain? Who can you borrow from? How much can you borrow? You want to lend, how much can you do? But how do you actually borrow it? How do you document it so that you remain legally compliant? How do you maintain corporate governance? And today, I think one thing which is lacking majorly is corporate governance. Somehow, at least in the startup space, entrepreneurs are so focused on just
The
doing,
business and growing.
their business, that corporate governance has taken a huge backseat.
True.
And what companies do is, first up, they don't come to a lawyer, which is what I've seen. And I'm like, why do you come to a lawyer only when something has gone wrong, right? Nobody comes to a lawyer first. But they come to a company secretary first, because
Exactly.
they say, okay, in a year you have to maintain all your minutes, and all the meetings need to be done quarterly, annually compliances need to be done. So they'll come to a company secretary first. Now, as a company secretary, your duty not lies just in complying with, what the promoter or the founder or, the board told you to do. But if you go that extra step and give them that little bit of legal advice, saying, sir, okay, this is what you have done, but this is how you could do it to stay within, being legally compliant. To say, okay, I've borrowed money, give me a resolution is one thing. But if he comes and says, okay, no, listen, but you can do certain things, you can't do certain things. These are the outside of the secretarial corners. In the legal aspect, this is what you can do. I think that brings a lot of value add. And I think today there's a huge space for that kind of dual qualified professionals to fill. Every law firm is looking for a company secretary who has that kind of legal backing, and every CS firm is looking for a lawyer to whom they recommend their clients to, who at least preliminarily can tell the client, okay, keep this in mind when you do this. Ensure that you keep these secretarial compliances in mind. So I
Yeah,
think this is how these two kind of go together.
I think this is the value add I would want to draw our audience to, because when we get an expert and who's been in the field, see what Goda is trying to share is that law is a great course, so is CS, but when they come together, 2 plus 2 is always more than 4 when these two courses come together. And she shared some of the examples of how a law firm is looking for a CS, and same way a CS firm is looking for a lawyer who can give the right inputs. And the kind of work that is happening, there's a lot of value add when you do both together.